Yeah, she is already there. And another gentleman is expected to join. He's from my ex-company, Dor Oliver.
Oh, you're from the Dor Oliver, is it? Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. I know you're an
And
engineer and all.
and the company shut down, but 180 of us, we are still together.
Wow.
Today we are celebrating birthday of our senior most person. He's 87 years age.
Oh,
Started as an engineer and retired as a director of the company. Vasani, Jayant
fantastic,
Vasani.
fantastic,
He
fantastic,
was
fantastic.
also Rotarian, and one of the best thing we learned there, that position is not that important. How do you tackle that situation? That moment, what you are and how you do it. That's the thing which takes you either on other shore or you drown. But we 180, you can imagine, after companies closed down for 10 years, we are still together.
Fantastic. I mean, you're like our friend Suresh Kumar, maintaining relationships over a period of time. All right, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
And a very warm welcome to our empowering morning conversations. And this is our, what shall I say, initiative to spread positivity in a world which is now completely inundated with negativity on all sides. Okay? And I believe, sometimes human beings go against logic, right? Everybody says logically, sir, if you are happy and you are positive, then your vibrations will be high. And if your vibrations are high, then you will not be affected by COVID. But what are people doing? Every minute, how many COVID cases are there? How many people died? I mean, what are you getting out of it, man? Fine, it's good to be informed. You will get to know anyway. I mean, right now, for the first time, I think in history, so many of our very close friends and families are also passing away. So you can't just keep it away, right? But let's think about all those positive people. All those positive people who have the guts and the daring to go there and work in the hospitals, go there and volunteer their services, right? And we are just like spectators. Hi, hi, kya ho gaya? Hello. So we are not like that. We are the positivity influencers. And if you want to remember and see what positivity looks like, you only have to look at Praveen and you will know what positivity looks like. I swear, man, I'm really impressed by the noor. आपके चेहरे से जो नूर छलक रहा है उसको देख के हम बड़े प्रभावित हो गए सर. हमारा एक हम साथी मिल गया. पहले हम सोचते थे कोई हमदम ना रहा, अब इतने सारे हमदम मिल गए. So it's a wonderful opportunity. And I believe, like we are like energetic ripples in the universe. All right. So if there is a ripple of negativity, it goes out, Another analogy we can look at, if you look at a spider's web, is any part of the spider's web is touched, it vibrates, So the spider knows that something is there. So it's like that. And we are influencing that web. We understand internet, we understand World Wide Web. How about understanding the energetic World Wide Web into which we are all connected? So I believe that it's our duty to generate positivity, and that is what we are doing. So people who have been with us, now today is the 46th session. Wow, congratulations. So you understand what I'm talking about. And I'm so grateful to all of you who are inviting your friends, and you're adding so much to what we are doing here. All right. And I encourage people, always share, always participate. Every word that can come out of your mouth can contribute. This is not only about me or my team talking, okay? This is about you. And if you remember, I always say, when you come in the morning, I usually say, hello, share your experience of yesterday. Why? Because when you do that, you realize, did you live your day consciously or did you live it unconsciously? Because if you say, sir, din shuru hua, khatam bhi ho gaya, pata nahi laga, that means you lived unconsciously. Because a wonderful day with 24 hours and 60 minutes to every hour, and if you break it into 10-second increments, how much experience was available to us. Can you imagine that? And remember, every time that if you are conscious and you're aware, then every experience is an opportunity to be a better version of ourselves. And when we become better versions of ourselves, that's what we spread out into the world. It's so sad, isn't it? All negativity is highlighted all the time, right? उसने ये scam कर दिया, उसने इसको थप्पड़ मारा. Hello? But what about those millions and thousands of positive people who are there working on the ground? Source of inspiration. They are not highlighted. We will highlight them. We will be like them. Remember, every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of myself. And that can only become possible when I stop judging every moment in my life. We've been wasting our time in judging, comparing, judging right and wrong, good and bad. That's all we've been doing. And how much we are depriving ourselves of the richness of our life, you know. इतना भरपूर जीवन है, उसको हम जज ही करते जा रहे हैं. हम बोल रहे हैं, परमात्मा अच्छी चीजें ही हमको दीजिए, दूसरी हमको नहीं चाहिए. भगवान बोलता है, हर क्षण में मैं आपको तोहफा दे रहा हूं, आप आधे से ज्यादा तोहफे वापस भेज रहे हो मेरे पास. जितनी मर्जी कोशिश करो, तोहफा तो मैंने दे दिया, ले लो और सीखो उससे. बट हमको कहाँ सीखना है? हमको तो भगवान से ज्यादा बुद्धि है. हमको तो मैंडेट मिला हुआ है, जजिंग करो. And then we want to prove ourselves right all the time. What is the point in proving ourselves right? Yeah, I know a lot of people, they are miserable, you know. मैं पूछता हूँ, यार, you want to be right or you want to be miserable? No, but I'm right. I said, you want to be happy? You'll have to give up being right. No, but I'm right. So they'd rather be right and miserable than to give up their rightness and be happy. एक बारी मैं श्रीनगर गया, alright? बहुत जाता था. I used to go there very often. This was in the early 80s, you know. 86 तक मैं जाता था. I used to go there every month. And I was very fond of going to one little tea stall which was next to the lake, you know. तो लेक में बोटिंग जरूर करता था और शाम को उस रेस्टोरेंट में जाके चाय पीता था. And there was this fellow, old fellow was owning it. लंबी दाढ़ी थी उनकी और उनका जो गल्ला था ना, उसके पीछे there was a photo there. और फोटो में लिखा हुआ था एक कविता. And you know what that kavita says? Give me a world of madness. दीवानगी की दुनिया मुझे दे दो. If madness is to be glad, I'd rather be mad and happy than be sane and sad. क्या बात है. मैंने कहा, इस तरह का पागलपन तो मुझे भी चाहिए भाई, है ना. बिकॉज जो लोग लॉजिकल नहीं होते हैं, you know, people who are not logical, people who don't think like everybody else. Some of us, you know, the outliers, we say, sir, hum apna path khud chunenge. I will live a life of choice. And people say, you are crazy. Back in 1982, when I chose this path of mine, gave up my Bosch job, people said, you are crazy. My wife said, you are crazy. My father said, Colonel Saab, you're crazy. MNC कौन छोड़ता है? मैंने कहा, मैं छोड़ता हूं. Because जिंदगी में पहली बार I had done something which I wanted to do. So if you are not doing bhed chal, you know, sheep mentality, then you are crazy. If you are not judging, then people say you are crazy. If you are not trying to be buddhuman, buddhiman, मैं कहता हूं, buddhuman, then also you are crazy. If you want to live a life of happiness, you're crazy. I remember once, you know, Hasina ji was practicing laughter and then she said to me, yesterday my family was asking me what happened. So when you are happy, they are asking you what happened. Because it is so unusual to see people happy. अरे बिना वजह हंस रहे हो, पागल हो गया. अरे मैं खुश हूं क्योंकि मैं जिंदा हूं, तुमकी प्रॉब्लम क्या है? But then, you know, give me a world of madness. If madness is to be glad, I'd rather be mad and happy than to be sane and sad. नहीं सर, सीरियस होना चाहिए. आप तो ट्रेनर हो, आप हंसते क्यों हो, मजाक क्यों करते हो? क्योंकि मैं मजे लेता हूं. So what is the purpose of our everyday morning sessions? Let me kindly remind you so that the newcomers are very clear that we are not totally crazy. We've got a purpose for being here. We are partially crazy and partially okay. All right. So the purpose of these morning sessions is to allow us to live a life of ease, joy, and glory. So please say with me, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory.
All of
This is the
life,
mantra of our access consciousness, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life
all
comes
of
to
life
me with
comes to
ease,
me
joy, and glory.
with joy and glory.
Yeah, please note the word all. All means
All.
all, huh? Good and bad, right and wrong. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And that's what we want to create over here. That when we get together, all of you people, wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human beings that you are, please remember that you deserve to be loved and respected for who you are. And you deserve a life of ease, joy, and glory. But first, you have to believe it. Next, you have to choose it. You can choose a life of ease, joy, and glory. Would you like to do that? Or would you like to decide, no, life is tough, life is difficult, जीवन एक संघर्ष है. जो आप सोचोगे वही होगा. So what do you want to choose? Choice is yours. And so I am not going to be on this call for very long today because I have another call, another contribution to make. And before I hand you over to our very good friends here, Rama sir and Ashok sir and Nidhi ma'am and all the other wonderful people, before I do that, as usual, I have a question for you, and we will think about and reflect upon this question because it can open up another possibility for our life. I just want to remind you one thing. Enterprising people, saksham log, they see possibilities, उनको संभावनाएं नजर आती हैं, where ordinary people see roadblocks, obstacles and negativity. So every day when I ask you a question and I ask you to reflect on it, जब मैं कहता हूं उसके बारे में सोचो, what it makes possible is that you see a new possibility in life. Each one, some people say, अरे यार अब तो मैं old हो गया हूं, अभी क्या possibility है? Sir, every moment there is new possibility. All we have to do is create that possibility and find it. Many of you would have heard of a chap called Dr. Edward de Bono. You heard of Dr. Edward de Bono? He's called the creativity guru. Okay? The creativity guru. He used to say, possibilities are always there, but we are not able to see them. So we are positivity people, you see. Every morning we come and we reflect, we discuss, and we see a new possibility for our life. How does it get better than that? So we have Major Saab with us. Thank you very much. Many, many good people coming in. Raghu, good to see you again. Good to see you, Sandeep. Nice, nice. Rashmi is there, very nice. I think Rashmi is probably a new participant. Very welcome. Omkar Singh ji, very, very welcome. And then we've got somebody called Quantum Laughs. Wow. I wonder what kind of a laugh is that. That reminds me. Hi, Major Star Narayanan. Good morning to you, sir.
Morning, sir.
So you'll have to tell us from time to time, Josh paida karo, and we'll do that. So let's do one thing, so that we initiate everybody into our morning, positivity generating activities. So when I say 1, 2, 3, we will all laugh 100% without making a sound. 1, 2, 3, go. So let some of those positive chemicals go through your veins, Mostly we are putting cortisol and adrenaline, not good. These ones are coming, which are very good. Okay. So that's one very simple way, of overpowering all these negative feelings that are coming over us. If you are unhappy, generate happiness. If you're sad, generate happiness. If you're disappointed and discouraged, generate this. It's quite infectious, you know. If you do this every hour, you'll be looking so happy. People so, "Dadu bhi kya hai, kya hai? What is he doing?" All right. So coming back to the question of the day. Oh my God. The question of the day. Oops. 1 second, gentlemen. So this is the question for the day. What will I do today that will make me stretch and go beyond my comfort zone? I also want to see how observant you are. If you're observant, you will notice something in this sentence that I have written. Then I'll ask you, आपका ध्यान किधर है? Meditation को बोलते हैं हिंदी में ध्यान. And people's dhyan is not in their control. इधर उधर भागता रहता है. The biggest strength we can have is to be able to put our dhyan where we want it. So today we will put our dhyan to think about what will I do today that will make me stretch and go beyond my comfort zone. And I'd love to hear from each and every one of you. What will you do today? And please be very clear. It doesn't matter who you are. We come to a point where we plateau, you know. And then we say, बस इतना तो कर रहा हूँ यार, और क्या करूँ? है कि नहीं? फिर अगर आप पंजाबी हो, फिर एक पॉइंट पे आपको इतना ज्यादा कोई पोक करेगा ना, आपको गुस्सा आएगा, फिर आप पंजाबी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजाना शुरू कर दोगे. आपको पता है ना कौन सा होता है पंजाबी म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट? बड़ा अच्छा इंस्ट्रूमेंट होता है. पंजाब में आप जाके देखो, हर आदमी, बेटी हो या बाप हो या वाइफ हो या कोई भी हो, उसके सामने बैंजो ही बजाता रहता है. Very nice instrument, you know. So when I ask people to stretch, especially in the corporate programs, you know, यहाँ पे थोड़े हट्टे कट्टे पंजाबी होते हैं, फिर वो कहते हैं, सर तुसी ना पुश कर रहे हो, सानू पुश ना करो. हम नहीं पुश करेंगे, खुद ही कर लो यार. You want to be happy, you want to joy and ease and glory in our life. Do you think we're going to get it by being inside our comfort zone? फिर गाने भी गाओगे, मुझे चैन से रहने दो, मेरे पास न आओ. फिर ये भी बोलोगे, भूली हुई यादें इतना न सताओ. निकलो बाहर, कूदो, फिर क्या सताएंगे हमको. और ज्यादा अपने आप को अगर उदास बनाने का आपको शौक है ना, तो फिर ये गाना गाओ, होंठों पे सच्चाई रहती है. It sounds like a sarcastic song these days, you know. मुझे लगता है क्योंकि हमारे देश का माहौल उड़ा रहा है. होंठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, दिल में सफाई रहती है. यहाँ पे गंगा में, अरे ऐसी बातें नहीं बोलनी है, नेगेटिव होती है. All right, so what will I do today that will make me stretch and go beyond my comfort zone? That is the question I want to think about. So I'd like to hear from you. What will you do? I keep stretching, you know. I was invited to give a talk on this forum at 8 o'clock. First reaction is what? अरे मेरा सेशन चल रहे है, मैं कैसे आ सकता हूँ? So I said, yeah, go ahead, Praveen ji. Unmute, yeah.
Yes, sir. So the moment you had put up that question on the screen, I was see how universe aligns everything together. So I am somebody who would love to take live sessions, okay, but to record a video is something which is way out of my comfort zone. And today in my time block, I had put specific time to record 2 videos, right? I've written down the script, I just have to record them. And the moment I saw that question, I said, the universe wants me to do it right today itself.
You know,
so thank you, Deepak ji, for ensuring that I do it today.
Well, it's very interesting, you know, what you're saying is that we actually make it happen through others sometimes.
Yes.
So sometimes, you know, we need a little push. So we make sure कि कोई आके हमको डांट देता है, you know. Like I'm very consciously working on my diet, you know. So every time I forget it, it is guaranteed that my wife will come and pull my leg and say, hey, Sumdeepak, why are you eating this meeta? So then I say, first reaction is, why is she topping me? Then I say, I'm creating it. Whatever signal we send to the universe, what a wonderful thing you said, Gambhir Saab. I think वो गंभीर हटा दो, अभी गंभीर रहे नहीं हो, आप बड़े खुश मिजाज लगते हो. Thank you very much for
कई
sharing.
दफा आयरनी भी बहुत अच्छी प्रोजेक्ट होती है, इसलिए वो ऊपर वाले ने आयरनी कर दी है.
Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, who's next? Come on, Neethi. You are stretching yourself every day, so there's a lot you can share. How much more can you stretch? Okay, Raghu first. Raghu raised his hand first.
Yes, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
I always try to read a book and I never complete it. Either I just start reading it, after some time I go back to sleep.
Naturally,
So,
because you're trying to read a book.
yes.
You try to
And-
stand up just now. Either you'll stand up or you won't. That's the problem. You're always trying only. Going to go to the morning in the toilet and sit and try. Then only you'll be trying. Nothing will be coming. That's what we do in life. I'm trying to read. Thank you very much, Raghu. Are you going to complete the book today?
Yeah, I would like to complete. Yes,
That
definitely.
will be stretching for you.
Because I do read, but the only thing is it takes a long time to finish a book. But at least today I thought I'll finish it. So I taken a small book so that I can complete and I'll get the satisfaction of completing a book.
Okay. Small steps successfully done make us get more confidence. Excellent. Thank you, Raghu, for sharing it. Hey, don't mind my poking. Huh? My job is to poke you guys so you come out of your comfort zone. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yes, Neeti ji.
Okay, sir. So my comfort zone had been like, once I left, like, Neeti is not there.
Neeti is there. I'm asking her. She's about to speak. तो निधि
Okay.
बोलने लग जाती है.
अच्छा.
Never mind. उसको complete करो. अभी अधूरा ना छोड़ो.
Okay, so I just plan my daily kitchen activities in the morning so that lunch, everything gets ready. I get free time in the day to complete other works. So that's how I started planning so that I have more time to stretch myself and work on the new development parts.
In what way am I going to come out of my comfort zone is the question. जिस चीज से आप already बाहर निकल के आगे उसकी बात मत करो ना, आगे बढ़ो. What else is possible?
So I
You know,
will be, yeah.
तो आप तो stretch कर ही रहे हो, I know, but stretch more. What will you do more? Think about it. Come back and share it. Thank you very much. Yes. Finally, Neeti gets a chance to speak.
Good morning. Sir, you had recommended this book, Getting to Negotiating an Agreement Without Giving In. Now, I started reading. I've gone through about a fourth of the book. Somewhere I'm not being able to map it to my life and my mental. So, and this is bothering me. I'm reading it, but it's bothering me. Every sentence is bothering me. So
You know,
I would like to stretch myself till I can map it to my life, my mind, and then make more sense out of the book. So I want
okay,
to.
but you know something, Neeti, I must congratulate you, you know. You are the same Neeti, I'm not sure, because when you never used to have the time for anything, least of all reading a book.
I know, and I'm reading every day.
Yeah, congratulations. Now you're already stretching. Now you want to stretch more. I
This is
congratulate
very
you.
important. I need to map it. I need to map it. It's bothering me for 3 days now. हंसिए मत सर, जो bother करता है ना बड़ी लगती है. I have to map it.
आपको ना एक चीज मैं बताऊं, नहीं बताऊंगा. There is something which, you know, it comes in your way, always makes it take more time. You see, you've got to figure out everything, you know. Such a lovely, logical person. आपको सब कुछ समझना पड़ता है.
No, otherwise it's mere reading. I want to absorb it. So for me to absorb it, I have to
See,
give
this is another belief that you got. How do you know?
See, ऐसे में read कर लूँगी तो the words will swim and sometime later on probably it will get mapped.
We don't know. Have you ever tried it?
So
You know, I attended a course on photo reading. Okay, I used to do speed reading, Photo reading is better than that, okay? So you actually go fadak, 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 fadak like that. So I was so skeptical. I said, how is it possible? But there's a method to it. But it always requires me to keep my this fellow on one side and allow my subconscious mind to take over. Doesn't matter. It will come. You have progressed so much. You become unrecognizable, Niti.
I know what you mean.
ऐसा ना हो कि कभी मिले तो हम पहचाने ही नहीं.
No.
चलो एक बार फिर से अजनबी बन जाएं हम. वो बन चुके लग रहा है मेरे को. You are a new personality. Congratulations. So keep stretching yourself. Thanks for sharing. Okay, who's next? Come on. What are we waiting for? Josh Padagro. Come on, guys, share. Sandeep, what's up?
Hasina ji wants to go next.
All right, Hasina ji can go next.
I have been avoiding my pranayam and my yoga, and I'm really and I will not avoid. And I really want to get going with it.
Be careful, huh? We've got this yoga guru with us. He will send you the vibrations. You'll have to do it then.
That's the reason why I mentioned it.
Very good. Thank you. So what are you going to do? The question was, in what way am I going to go beyond my comfort zone today?
She is going to literally stretch today.
I will.
Okay, what time?
5 o'clock in the morning.
That sounds like a question mark, not a statement of intent.
No, 5 o'clock.
Okay, now it sounds like a statement of intent. Congratulations, Hasina ji. And I must say, Hasina ji is the most diligent person who is always on time and the first person to join our group. It is so inspiring. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
Okay, who's next? Nair Saab, you are new. Why don't you share? We should love to hear the sound of your voice also. Yes. Other people, please mute yourself. Nidhi, just check who's unmuted. Yeah, go ahead, Narayan sir.
Thanks to the pandemic, I've not been able to go out and then do the exercise that the way I want. At best, I can just use the terrace or the flat where I am now. And I've been going in the morning and evening. But just to improve the efficacy, I don't want to walk for more time. So what I do, I always carry a brick in each hand, one brick in each hand, and then continue to walk. It is called farmers lift. They teach us in the army, in the commando. Carry a weight in each hand and then do the exercise slowly. And then you used to walk, and then we'll be made to climb the stairs. And then slowly, if you're able to get practice, we'll be taught how to run using that. That is equivalent to if you're able to carry a load and walk for 1 minute, that's equivalent to running for half an hour.
Wow.
So I've been using only a brick. Now I want to carry some weight so that I can just finish my entire activity in just 5 minutes. Just carry a weight.
Carry your wife, no? It'll be pleasant experience. And Narayan sir, we've got one gentleman, Colonel Seva Singh, who
correct.
was a commando, and then he is teaching 3-minute scientific yoga. Did you attend his program? I think he did it for the Dignity Foundation.
Yeah, you come in empowerment talks also. Empowerment talks.
Yeah. Very nice.
He's in Chandigarh.
Yeah. No, he's not in Chandigarh. He's in Kapurthala. Where are you?
I am in Hyderabad.
Wonderful. So you are the third or fourth person from Hyderabad. Very welcome. Thank you very much for sharing. And make sure that when you're carrying the bricks with you, don't get angry. You might break some windows or somebody's head if you get angry.
True, sir.
Okay, who's the next person? Come on, who's next? I've got another 3 minutes with you. So I'd love to hear one more person speaking. Who wants to speak? Go ahead.
I'm sorry, I'm I was attending a climb case, so I could not hear the question. Can you please repeat?
The question is, in what way am I going to go beyond my comfort zone today?
Comfort zone. I will have to really think about that. Yeah.
Yeah, you'll have to think about it.
Yes,
Very
yes,
nice.
yes.
Thank you very much. Who's next? So we have another new person, Mr. Subhash. Welcome, Subhash ji. Why don't you unmute your video and share something with us? In what way are you going to go beyond your comfort zone today?
Thank you so much. But today we joined a little late, and we
Doesn't
couldn't
matter.
but I think we'll be able to give our ideas a little later, not today, right now. But
No, this is not an idea I'm asking you for. In
No,
what
for
way
example-
are you going to go beyond your comfort zone today?
Correct. I would like to, but I am in so much of comfort that I feel as a retirement, why should I disturb my comfort zone? But still, I feel there are certain areas which I need to improve upon or I need to do. So maybe I'll come back. I think there are valid reasons that I should come out of comfort zone.
All right.
I'll find out and maybe let you know. Next
Oh,
time.
very nice. It's not for me. Basically, the questions which I ask are not for me to know. These questions
Okay.
are meant for you to reflect so that these
You are
questions
right.
will make you do something different from what we normally do.
You are
See,
right. You are
we
right.
lead very reasonable lives, you know that.
Yeah.
So we've got all these pictures about now I'm retired. So I have to get tired once more. Right? Maybe it's an opportunity to do things which you never did
Yeah.
before. Right?
Yes.
Many things we never had time to do before, na? Because we were busy raising the children, roti kapda makhan and all that, Now what? So a lot
Not
of
only
questions
that,
can come.
there are certain essentials.
Sir, it's
For
eight
example, for
Sorry.
example, you need to know nowadays
I'm
is
sorry.
banking,
Sorry, sir. I
mobile
need to
banking.
leave now.
Okay.
You please carry
Carry
on.
on.
Yeah, continue, Subhash sir.
No, I just want to say, suppose at this stage we should know mobile banking, which I do not know, which I don't want to know. But it is now becoming almost necessary during this pandemic that we should start doing internet banking or mobile banking. I have been avoiding. A,
Yeah.
because of comfort, and B, because of fear that something wrong may happen.
Correct.
So maybe we should start learning it or not. That's the question.
You will learn. You don't have choice.
Yes, that's correct. I think that's
So
what
what
I'm
is knowledge?
realizing.
So the fear will go away by knowledge. So you just read little bit, talk to some people, understand. Then the fear will go away, and then you will have to anyway learn.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh,
Yes, who's next? What will you do today that will make you stretch and go beyond the comfort zone?
Yeah. I will say something like.
Yes, Suresh, sir. After that, Sandeep. Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, I received a complaint that one hospital is not accepting cashless treatment in Hyderabad. So I was just talking to one of my clients. So now I have to talk to my higher officials and make sure that that hospital accepts it.
Right.
So while talking, there will be some ifs and buts and all that. Then I have to leave my comfort zone, and maybe I have to put some hard words so that they can take immediate action. If your request sometimes doesn't happen, you have to really, pin them. Then they will work out. In these pandemic days, it is more important that every patient is treated well and given due respect to in respect of treatment.
Yeah.
So
So it's
I
a
will
need
come
of
out
the
of,
hour.
yeah.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
today
I think
I'm going to talk to my management and do that.
yeah, it's very important for the people already in trouble,
Yeah.
added trouble. So if you can relieve that, it will be great.
They will really pray for us.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Suresh.
Thank you, sir.
So who else? Sandeep?
It is a very simple question, but then it is really making me think because for me, I'm in a very comfort zone and a defending zone for years actually. So this simple question is also triggering too many things in my mind, and maybe I will on professional front. I have been uh, always been on very defending position. So I feel I will find something that that will help me out in on my professional front, and I would like to work on it today. I'm giving a very broad statement, but I will break it out throughout the day, and I'll certainly work on something.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you. Thank you, Sandeep. So Reddy Garu,
Good morning.
good morning.
Today I am planning to speak to our employees whom I am avoiding. I want to go out of my comfort zone and speak to them on plain words and explain to them about the future. That's what I want to do today.
That's great. That's great. Yeah. Now everybody is worried about the pandemic. If you can really talk about future, they will definitely get very positive and look forward to. Thank you. Thank you. So what will you do today that will make you to stretch and go beyond the comfort zone?
Hi Shakti, we are missing your contribution. So can you please share?
Good morning, everyone. For me, it's like almost past 6 months, I'm keep on pending one project. Whenever I'm thinking about that project, my fear will come. It's like I don't know this knowledge, I don't have this. When I get a comfort time or long leave, I can complete that kind of things, and some fear will be there. Today, I think I need to work on that. That will be really stretching beyond my comfort zone.
Thanks a lot, Shakti, for your contribution.
Right. So thank you, Shakti. Who else would like to talk about what will you do today to stretch yourself and go beyond comfort zone? Yes, quantum loss, Suchitra.
Mom wants to go. Hello, good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Thank you. So today I want to do some special work apart from my cooking and all.
Oh, great. Sure. So you want to say what kind of work?
Like that. It's a good
Cooking and all, she said.
No, beyond cooking, she wanted to do something special.
Pardon?
No, you talk loudly.
Yeah.
We lost you. I think the network was not okay.
Yeah, it is. Talk loud. Yeah. Apart from my work, I want to suggest some solutions to my gardener. He's taking care. So put some gomoots to every plant and all, and some manures, this thing, natural manures and all. She has put. She has suggested, Suchitra. So all that I want to suggest him and take care because of the pandemic. This thing we cannot go, no. So that's what I want to do.
Oh, great. Gardening. Yeah, that's great. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Yes, who else?
I think Shirishi would like to go next. Shirishi?
And we also have some more new people joined. Rashmi ma'am,
Anahita.
Anaheta, yeah.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
See, nowadays my comfort zone is to sit before TV for hours together. And I think if I try to stretch myself out of it, I can do something more like reading and sometimes painting also. With today's initiative, I'll start that. Thank you.
Thank you. That's great. Yeah. Who else? Because when you are sharing, others also will get some idea. So what you are going to do, I think others also may get. Sometimes they may not have idea, they may get that.
It's Gopal here.
Yes.
Can I say something?
Yes, Gopal.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Please go on.
Yeah. I've been reading a lot of Agatha Christie lately, you know. And that's a very absorbing reading. So I decided to stop reading Agatha Christie and read something uplifting, you know. Something good. Hello?
Yes, sir. Go on, please.
So I have started two books, new books now.
Okay.
Dalit Woman. Dalit is a story about Dalit, you know, in India. And the other one is Magic of Your Mind by Al Goran.
Right.
So these two things I have started, you know. So because that's very uplifting and nice, you know, to read, rather than Agatha Christie, which is very absorbing and takes so hell of a long time, you know. The whole day you on getting that book. That's the thing.
Yeah, that's great.
I decided to take up some cooking also.
Ah,
eventually,
that's
which I
amazing.
wanted to do.
Right.
Let's hope so. Let me do that.
Excellent, sir. Excellent. All the best. Reading and cooking.
Yeah.
Yep. Great. Anybody else?
Sir, I have decided to take up 108 chantings of the Medha Suktam for children with cognitive difficulties like my son, and hoping they get the understanding and resources that they need, not what people want to foist on them, but that their inner soul is heard and they get a chance to express their life.
Great. That's
So that
very,
is now and
very.
evening.
Okay. Thank you. It's very noble because the vibration affects all. Yeah, it's a very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, Ashwini ma'am.
I'm already stressed. So what I should do?
You are stretched or stressed?
Stressed because I'm doing what beyond my limitations, I think.
Okay.
Everything I want to learn and I'm learning that. But then I have to adjust my timing and everything. And so I feel I'm stressed. I shouldn't have done this and I shouldn't have done. So what I should do?
Simple, relax.
No, I'm relaxing. Relaxing.
Okay.
And today I have not done yoga. I'm attending this session. So that is the relaxation for me.
Okay. Okay. So sometimes the relaxation itself is a stretch for you because used to running around doing it like a machine. You can be relaxing with conscious approach. So then things will be much better. You will get energized. Then you can do the things very, very consciously. See, today you are getting stressed because you are doing something which you don't like to.
I like to do, I love to do, but afterwards I think that time is the limit. I cannot go beyond that. That is my problem.
Okay. So what do you think can be done to change it?
Can't do, because that is my nature, no, so I cannot do anything.
No, you can change your nature.
Whatever comes in my, whatever there, I want to learn that new thing. Then I find it difficult because the time limit and other things also handle. So it is a stressful life only, but I am enjoying it in any other way.
Why do you want to enjoy stressful life, ma'am? Enjoy the peaceful life.
Because it gives some knowledge to me. That is my necessity.
Okay. Sure, gaining knowledge is good. Gaining skills is good. Thank you. So what you're saying is you're already stretching.
Yeah.
Okay.
But that is my own. On my own, I am stressing myself. Not somebody else is pressing me to stress.
That's great. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for sharing, Ashwin ma'am. Who else?
Yeah, when we are learning something or even we are knowledge packed, we have to express that to the world. Otherwise, I mean, having skills or knowledge in any subject or anything, any matter, it will be with us. If we express that, the world will come to know what we have it and how best they can use or how best we are useful to them. That is how, I mean, it works better.
Yeah. So for many people, connecting with the people, helping the people is not a easy thing. It is a discomfort zone. So if we can really go out of our comfort zone, connect with the people, understand their point of view,
helping the people itself is, it is an expression, their expression in action. Yes, I am helpful to people.
Right. Yeah, that can be a good stretch for us to go beyond the comfort zone, to connect with the people and help the people.
Yeah.
Namaste, may I add in this?
Yes, Nidhi, please.
Now while we are talking, we all are stretching. So like we all are out of our comfort zone to share also where we are struggling. Because to come out with what you're struggling inside, what you want to stretch, to share that also, we are stretching ourselves to open up. So I think that is what is required with from all of us, that we should stretch, we should speak up, whatever is there inside, so that whatever blockage we have inside, that will get removed. So that emotional stretch is also important in life.
Yeah, very, very well said. Actually, we should stretch ourselves, go out of comfort zone and take out what is really bothering us. And that will really help us to relieve that.
Yeah, yesterday I was attending a session in the evening, almost 1.5 hours, about our insurance related things like claim process and all that. Everything we know, but the way it is presented by the presenter, it really inspired hundreds of people. It was a group of 500 people he was taking, and everyone almost knows, okay, what to do, what not to do. But still, the way he expressed it, he explained it, it really, what to say, it has given the ignition to do, with a joy.
Right. Great. Yeah, that's the skill actually.
Yeah, that's what we have to have, that communicating skill, expressive skills.
Yeah.
So subject everyone has. So why 500 people listen to him? Because they are lacking that kind of expressive skills.
Right. Yeah, that skill also comes when you really connect with the people, bothered about the people, and wanting to contribute to the people.
Yes.
Will also helps you to develop that skill.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hi, Neelam, welcome. So we are talking about what will you do to stretch yourself and go beyond your comfort zone.
Thank you, Ji. And sir is not here today?
He was there till 8 o'clock. So he had another meeting at 8, so he left. So we are continuing this.
Okay, okay, nice to meet you.
All right. So anyone else?
So on a humorous note, I want to add that for me to go beyond my comfort zone means to keep returning to it. Because I spend so much time outside it that for me to go beyond my comfort zone means to come back to my sense of comfort and touch base and then move out.
Okay, yeah, that's fine as long as it helps you. How about Shirish Ji? Is it our Shirish Ji, doctor? No, this is different. Oh, okay. Same. You have to unmute, Shirish.
Yeah, good morning all. Because my memory is full, so I just shifted to my wife's cell phone today. So good morning to you all. And just now somebody has shared that he is scared of internet banking and mobile banking, and the same is the case with me also. I'm not doing it out of fear and all this. And you rightly said that it is if you just go and talk to somebody and get some knowledge, and with the help of knowledge you can clear the fear and you can sell it very well. So I think I should do it now. I am not doing it because of fear only. So that is the better thing that you said. And thanks for the gentleman who raised this query. And thanks to you also. So I'll try to go out of my comfort zone and try to learn the things. I start mobile banking and all. That's really good. Thank you.
Great, great. Thank you. That's very nice. Anyone else?
Sir, it is actually there is a saying, no, necessity is mother of invention.
Yes.
When things go, things are going, they're not getting worked out for us. We have to look at the other way around.
Right.
So, like earlier, earlier days, if you want to withdraw cash or if you want to deposit money, you have to go to bank physically. Nowadays, that is not the scenario. If you want to withdraw money, any ATM you have, any bank ATM you have, that is the kind of technology. We have to upgrade ourselves and with a secured ways. If we are not secured also, then again, our systems are not secured, then, hackers will be there and all that. So we have to be, we should have alertness and we have to take an action also to move further.
Yeah, the more comfort you have, there are more challenges and more responsibility you need to have.
Yeah, withdrawing cash from ATM is a more comfort zone. Like,
yeah,
you
then the responsibility also has to be more. You cannot
you don't
just
have
relax.
to go stand in lines hours together and give the token and take money. All that thing is not there. You just go punch it and you will have cash. So pros and cons will be there in every development. We have to accept and we have to take that small risk. Taking risk itself is coming out of a comfort zone.
Yes, it's very true.
Yeah. Thank you, Suresh. Anyone else? I think we have our yoga guru, Praveen, wants to say something. Please go on, Praveen.
Namaste, everyone.
Okay.
So, like you were doing a wonderful activity in the morning time, empowering people to think positive and be positive. A similar activity we have started as a social initiative, and I'm here to invite all of you for that. So every night at 9:30 to 10:10 p.m., we are conducting a Zoom session. Over there, we do three things: pranayam, meditation, and along with that, some bhakti sangeet, or some songs or some music we play. So me and one of my friends, Sachin, we are doing this activity It's been 2 weeks already we are doing it, and we'll continue to do it for next 3 weeks till 21st of June, which is the Yoga International Day. See, the idea is generally we try to change our thinking pattern. We talk a lot about positive thoughts. But thoughts, when you, let's say if you do a 100-degree work on your thoughts, maybe a 10% emotion will change, and maybe it will percolate 1% to the energy. But the yoga is entire science. If you just manipulate your energy in the right way, your thought and emotion automatically gets balanced. So that's the idea. I invite all of you to be there. Anandji is a part of it. Anandji is connected to all of you, so I'll share the links with him, and it will be a pleasure to host all of you in that program. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveenji. I think it is a great, great work you are doing, spreading positivity and strength and happiness. Thank you. Thank you very much for this information and what you are doing. Right. Who else would like to answer today's question? What will I do today that will make me stretch and go beyond my comfort zone?
Ramaji, one more thing. I think Sukhdeepak ji had asked one more question, that in his question he has left out something.
Right.
So pay dhyan on it. So I think it was the spelling of beyond. He has missed out on the E, and he made it BYOND.
Oh, okay.
That's how he spelled it. So, so just I remembered. let not any question go unanswered, right?
Yes, yes. I think he wants us to put our attention completely into what he has to say. Yeah, right. Good that you noticed.
So somebody who's representing meditation and dhyan, I think it's my duty to point it out.
Great. Thank you. Thank you.
So I also noticed that, and I thought the missing E is equals to discomfort or going beyond comfort zone. Missing E's.
Right. So Anand Kumar, would you like to say something?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes. As I was trying to listen everyone and trying to understand what kind of discomfort zones people are in.
Okay, go on. Sir, I think you are muted. Can you unmute and talk, please? No, you are muted.
Yeah.
Yes,
Small things in our life which we always feel that we are at very discomfort zone or something.
Right.
Just if we can analyze them little bit, why we feel this is a discomfort zone for me, then we will definitely find out a way to make the same zone as a comfort zone or come out of it and go into another zone.
Right.
Okay. Now a person like a lazy person like me, the most comfort zone is sleeping 3 to 4 hours in the afternoon after lunch. So maybe I may try that to overcome from today to make that comfort zone or the discomfort zone to the comfort zone. I know I'm losing so many calls, I'm losing so many connects during that period. People keep on calling and my phone will be on silent. Then I have to go on calling them back after I get up and all that. By the time probably the intensity of the message or the intensity of the feed might have gone down. The reason behind that is probably my working nature is late night working, so I need some rest. So I decided to split my sleep into 2 different zones. Now to currently what we are doing in Hyderabad, we have Rather, we are supporting couple of COVID relief centers, as well as I have a team of good doctors in my group who are giving free video consultations and all these things of the supportive services to the needy people. At the same time, just couple of days, we have donated about 5 oxygen generators to one of the old age home in Hyderabad.
Great.
So this, when we are doing these type of activities, you know, we have to consider the so many factors in that, and we are just trying to cope it with that. The another thing is with the great initiative of Sukhdeepak ji, which actually we are connected because of the Inner Circle Club of e-growth. So, and then I got connected with Praveen ji through some of the links and all that.
Right.
See the way the connects are increasing, and I'm getting a knowledge and how to stay positive, how to create positivity within ourselves.
Right.
And then pass it on and teach it to the others.
Right.
Not teach it, share it to the others.
Share it. Yeah.
Yeah. So that itself, you know, that itself was a discomfort zone for me, which slowly I am coming out.
Yeah. So with so much of helping tendency and capability you have to be awake during the day and help the people. So sleep in the night and during the day be available for the people. So this is what I tell my daughter.
But my international connection during nights.
Okay, yeah, I know that's the challenge now. Even if you
I have to balance them.
You may have to stay 24/7 because you are connected with all over the world. But you have to make some adjustment, yeah. Yes, Shiriji. Thank you, Anand Kumarji.
The very simple thing that we do, I mean, in our life today, that most of the it is a common thing that we try to avoid listening to the inner voice and try to do whatever your head says sometimes like this, But your inner voice gives you the right direction, and listening to the inner voice and taking action is very, very difficult as such. And you have to go out of your comfort zone, right, and do something different. So I think I will definitely try to listen to my inner voice and take the action, which will be definitely pulling me out of my comfort zone, putting me little extra efforts and doing something right. That's what came to my mind today.
Excellent. Yeah. So to listen to the inner voice, we have to see how to reduce the mind's voice.
Right.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you, Shiriji. Yes,
Sir, one more second.
Yeah.
Yes, I will like to repeat the invitation given by Praveen Gambhirji for all of us to join his yoga kavach during at 9:30 p.m.
Yeah.
I'll share the link to maybe
please share it. Yeah.
Sukhdeepak ji, so that he can post it into the group.
Yes.
And let us try, because my conversation with Sukhdeepak ji was that we are doing certain things independently or in a limited way. But if we join hands together, like these organizations, if we join the hands together,
right,
our strength will go on increasing.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
That is the theme behind it. Because I am connected with, I am a founder of one of the organization in Hyderabad, and my job or my passion in that thing is to get connected with different organizations and try to bring them at a platform.
Sure. Thank you, sir. That's a great thinking. Let's do it. So Ashok ji, would you like to share something? Before that, let's hear from Raghuraman sir, and then Ashok ji.
Good morning once again.
Good morning.
Yesterday, I was wondering about how people become millionaire or a billionaire. And yesterday I listened to a video saying very simple way is put it: the number of problems what you solve. That is, like, if you solve million problems, you become a millionaire. If you solve billion problems, you become a billionaire. So the thing is what I realized in the nowadays is it was there with me before, and now it is slowly reducing, is solving the problems. Yes, we are trying to find the easy way to do it rather than or anyone do the help for to solve the problem. We are becoming more dependent than trying to solve in a simple way. So the more we solve the problem, I think by solving we can come out of the comfort zone.
Absolutely, absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's a very great statement that, if you solve million problems, you become millionaire, not only through money, even otherwise. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, we cannot, I mean, I want to add one word, one sentence. We cannot earn more than what we have our knowledge. Knowledge is our, source to earn or to do anything. If we invest in ourselves to increase our knowledge, we can probably solve many problems, and then we can earn. Not only, I mean, money is not only the criteria. We can earn people. We can win hearts, like that.
Yeah. So that's much beyond knowledge. Knowledge plus, as you said, win the heart. You need to connect with the people and real life skills. So knowledge alone will not be sufficient.
Yeah, we have to implement. We have to practically do it, and coming out of the comfort zone.
Right. Yes.
As we wish is something different, and as we stretch is something different.
Right. Thank you. Thank you, Suresh ji. Ashok ji, please go on.
Yes. See, my comfort zone is ignorance of difficulties of other people. If I, as a boss, if I say tell my engineer that he has to come at 9 o'clock, he better come at 9 o'clock. That's what I expect.
Right.
I don't, and maybe as Americans or schools in which we have been taught, they say you zero on what is expected. You are not supposed to take care of his family and everybody. He is supposed to take care. So if you call somebody at 9 o'clock, you better come at 9 o'clock without any excuses.
Right.
Now that exactly doesn't work all the time, everywhere.
Yes.
If we want 100% from that person to give me, then he should also feel that I am 100% with him. And that is my comfort zone, which I want to break. That I want to first understand why somebody is saying no, that he will not be able to come at 9 o'clock, or he will not be able to do something. We try to ignore, or rather I should say I try to ignore personal difficulties of the people who are working for us, or organization or a company or whatever that is.
Right.
But we should be, if we call now as our group, we say it's our family.
Right.
We are not interested who is doing what and etc. But we are certainly concerned with somebody. If somebody is absent, we notice. Our sir notices that so and so is not there today. What happened? Now that what happened is my comfort zone. That I did not know. I want to come out of that difficulty. If I say somebody is my friend or a family, then I must be involved in everything. I want to come out of that. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you. It's a typical issue we all face. I think it can be handled if you are intended to do it. Yeah. Thank you.
So by that beautiful contribution from everyone, so we would like to wind up the session. And Rama, please.
Nidhi, we have not heard from Geeta and Manasi. In case they want to say something, let's hear from them before we close. Manasi, Geeta. Okay, fine, that's fine. Right, so yeah, we can conclude, Nidhi. So thank you all for another great session today on today's question. Continue to look at what is that you can do to stretch and go out of your comfort zone? What is that you can achieve something new? What is that you can contribute newly by stretching and by going beyond your comfort zone? So thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow morning again at 7:30.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you. All of you have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
Sir Anand Kumar sir, we will talk sometime in the afternoon if it is possible.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. Yeah, you can leave the
Okay.
meeting. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye. Bye bye, Major. Major, nice seeing you here. Request you to participate here. It's a great forum. We have been doing this last 45 days, around 45 days. Thank you for participating.
Pressure is mine.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Neelam. Thank you,
I think.
Manasi.
Yes, yes.
So, do we have the meeting regularly?
Yes, Major. It is every day. It happens
Rama,
every day. It happens every day, Major.
Okay, fine. And we have any set activity or different speakers, different topics? It's a freewheeling discussion, or you got any set practices or rituals?
It's basically every day bringing the positivity in place and asking a question and answering on a real life scenario. What happened yesterday, and what are you going to do today? So provoking questions to stretch our minds and to really do something different every day. So that is Mr. Sudeepak sir comes out with a different question every day.
Oh, fine. Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you, Nidhi also.
Same here, Major.
You're all part of 5 AM club once upon a time? Were you a part of 5 AM club?
Were you?
No, she was not. I think she attended once or twice, but she didn't do regularly.
Right.
5 AM club.
Because earlier I'd seen a lot of people who've been here. When the strength was around 28 or so, I found some common names. Some I was able to figure out they're all ex-5 AM club members.
Yeah, some of them are. Some of them are not.
Yeah. I'm not. You're part of our WhatsApp group, Major?
Yeah, I just joined. No, I don't think, but only
Great.
yesterday Anu had sent it to me.
Oh, great.
And I'll just join. Right.
Great, thank you. Major.
That's amazing. You can, all of our numbers are there in the group. So you can contact any one of us, or even sir for anything. You're always welcome to know the details, whatever sessions and things.
Fine.
And you can contribute with your suggestion also what you want.
Fine. Thank you, Nidhi. I will. So
Yeah,
nice
thank
of
you
you.
so much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Major.
Bye.
Bye. Neelam, how are you? What's going on? Oh, okay, she left.
So we'll have to call it a day.
Yes,
Raman,
yes,
Yeah, we
Major.
both will.
Yes, Major.
Yeah.
Bye.
We'll meet
Take care.
tomorrow. Right.
Yeah, right.
Bye-bye.
Are you fine?
Yeah, I'm okay. Why? What happened?
No, the session went well, but you're looking little stressed, like your breathing is.
Yeah, you are right. Yeah, you are right. I was having little bit parallel what to say, stress on some things, but otherwise it's okay.
You want to share, like?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Nothing specific. It's including this session itself. Oh, is it going right or not? So that
Everything
that
was
also
going
came.
super. Everything
Yeah,
was
yeah.
going-
No, but what happened? No, that when sir is there, the kind of energy and effectiveness, no, that was missing. So I could sense that. So that created some stress for me actually.
You have the energy. You block yourself. Like for just smile and laugh also, no, you think.
Exactly. Yeah, you're right.
So you stop yourself कि मुझे कम हंसना है. Let people think whatever they want to. You laugh at your fullest and smile at your full, yeah.
Right.
You
Yeah.
know, in South I've been traveling, so people have this concept of speaking with low volume, speaking softly, laughing softly, don't
Yes.
make noise. And the
Correct.
North Indians are like blah blah blah.
Yeah. So my stress was more on whether the session is going right or not. So because there were so many new people also, right? So I didn't want them to get bored or not turn back again. So I was worried how to make it much more effective, much more interactive, much more energetic. So that was going on in the background.
Your energy will get the energy. So be energetic. Don't think about anything. Just be yourself.
I know. No, thank you for intervening in between, and that's very good. I think that's very important. We have to seamlessly really come and make it part of the discussion.
The only thing is we need to stick on the time, because when people come now, like
Right.
Praveen ji also indirectly told
Correct,
me
correct.
when we specify time, lot of people like even have to make a breakfast or somebody has to do things.
Yes.
So that's what. And people were not coming up. Like a lot of people like on the arrow.
Yeah, today I think many people came. 2-3 new people came, right?
So every day we are having 3 new people joining. So that's a good number. But like there's a rotation, like today Bhadresh, Susan, your Abhinav, all these people didn't came.
Right.
So once I think everyone is coming at a rotational level. So if, or everybody will come together, we'll be a good number.
Oh, okay. The recording is still going on. Oops.
It's live. It went live.